Hi guys, I'm Sarika and welcome back to Your Knowledge Buddy. If you are considering a move to the UK or are already here on any visa, you won't want to miss this video. The UK government dropped important updates with 5 major announcements on September 7, 2023, and it affects everyone. Whether you are in for some good news or bracing for the bad, you will want to stick around until the end and find out how these changes might impact you. But before we do a deep dive, here's a quick update from me. If you're dreaming of studying abroad and need expert guidance, my team is here to help absolutely free of charge. Just click the link in the description or the pinned comment to fill out a quick Google form. Now let's get straight to our topic. Update number 1, child dependent visa. On the government website, there is this document which is published on 7th of September, which is around 66 pages. So I'll summarize the update for you. UK government is making some strict rules for applications for child dependent visa. So if you refer to page 59, here you can see full list of visa categories where this rule will apply. So in short, if you're applying for child dependent visa, irrespective of any visa category, you'll have to follow these 3 rules, which are: number 1, relationship requirement, which simply means you should have enough evidence and documents to prove that you are the parent or the guardian of this particular child. Also, you need to show that you have permission or rights to stay in the UK. Second is care requirement. If your child is under the age of 18 on the date of application, you must have suitable arrangements for the child's care and accommodation in the UK, which must comply with the relevant UK law. Third is age and independent life requirement, which means your child must be under the age of 18 on the date of application and your child must not be leading an independent life, which means that they should be dependent on you. Now, let's move to update number 2, which is about tuberculosis test. Just a reminder to you guys, if you're planning to live in the UK for more than 6 months, TB test is a must from list of countries as outlined by UK government, including countries like India, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, etc. So if you're coming on student visa or skill visa or dependent visa, you need to get your TB test done. So the only change which is introduced now is that, say you were in the UK but returned back to your country for 6 months or more, then you need to take the TB test again. If the gap is less than 6 months, you don't require a TB test. Now, update number 3, public funds. If you guys are already in the UK, it's already written on your BRP that no access to public funds. So they have just reinforced this message so that immigrants don't misunderstand and start using public funds. Update number 4 is good news, as this opens few opportunities for you guys, which is changes to skilled worker route. As we know that only eligible occupation codes are allowed on UK's work visa route, which is skill visa. Now a new job is added in this already huge list, which is prison service officer. So if your skill sets are matching to this profile, you will be eligible under the skilled worker visa. More details are provided on the screen. Now, last update for today, which is update number 5. Significant hike in all UK fees like study visa, work visa, visit visa, citizenship application or ILR. This visa fee are set to come into effect at 9 AM on 4th of October 2023. The new immigration and nationality fees makes many changes to the Home Office fees, including a 15% increase in the cost of most work and visit visas, an increase of at least 20% in the cost of priority visa, study visa and certificate of sponsorship. These changes do not include the planned increase to the immigration health surcharge, which will be introduced at a later date, yet to be confirmed when. The IHS is set to increase by 66% to £1,035 a year. The legal process for this takes longer and may not be completed until 2024. So you can see from the screen the old visas versus the new visa for all the visa categories. The fee for applying for a student visa will increase from £363 to £490, which is 35% increase. The fee to apply for a graduate visa will rise from £715 to £822. For skilled worker applications where a COS has been issued for over 3 years, it will cost £1,420 for overseas applicants. Now,
Standard visitor visa for those visiting the UK for up to 6 months will cost you now £115. Fees for 2, 5 and 10-year visit visa will also increase to £400, £771 and £963 respectively. Now, full details are provided on the UK Government Home Office. Those were the 5 updates from the UK government. Should you have any questions, make sure to leave your comments below. Thanks for watching my video till the end, and I'll see you guys soon with my next video. Till then, keep learning.